everyone. Here we are in Discovery Shores, and this will be our trip for the next 4 days. It's called the Signature Premier 2-bedroom suite, and here there's a foyer to see, and the powder room. Here the welcome goodies, welcome treats. This is the let's go to the coffee counter. This is like the coffee counter. It's free, managed every day, as they say. And we have here the living room. And this is the first bedroom. Yeah, this is the first bedroom. There are 2 bedrooms and both have almost the same configuration, except like for this one, we have the full-size bed, king size I think, and TV and everything. And there's a full bath as well, and somebody's inside, so I cannot go in. And the next room is here. Like there are 2 double beds, and of course there's a TV, and there's a day bed. There's a bathrobe. Bathrobe and slippers. And this is the bathroom, which has the same configuration as the other one. There's like a his and hers sink. And there's bathtub for both rooms. This is for both rooms. And there's, of course, the shower, and the other one is the toilet. So nice. If you look at it from here, and the materials that they're using are all Filipiniana. And yeah. And my mom. And Ma, I'm doing my video. And there's a they call this food spa. And complimentary food spa for 10 minutes. No? Yeah, 10 minutes lang. And there's a free beach bag and more beach bags there. And this is free sunscreen that they provide. And alcohol. The living room, another vantage point of the living room. And the highlight. Own temperature controlled pool. Here it is. It's our old pool where my mom can take a dip. There are also floaters here. But the only downside here is that we don't have the view of the beach, because all the signature units are at the back, so it's kind of exclusive. So we're here, but we can go there anytime. And there's access going outside for both rooms here and there. I hope everyone likes it.